Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I've been opening the Shadow High dolls that Darren and I found when we were on a business trip to Florida, and we found them for $22 each, so we got at least one of each. I have one more to open. I saved this one because I thought she was my favorite, but now I'm looking at all the rest and I'm wondering, is she? Darren made her the coolest stand. I love this. I like Darren's stand for the Rainbow High, Pacific Coast, and Shadow High because their arms, he uses less room on the hook and their arms can stand more. I'm laughing at our dog who is up on the table looking to see what I'm talking about. And she's not supposed to be there. Anyway, he makes these stands so that their arms aren't out way out to the side. But I like her name on it too. Off. She's a knucklehead and needs more training. No, she just wants to be part of everything. Let's get Natasha Zima out of the box. By the way, Ellie Nefret, who has a channel on YouTube that you should go check, told me that Zima means black in Bulgaria. She is out of the box, and I really love this girl. Look at the crimped hair, this gorgeous dress with little bitty feathers, or feathers that were actually, each one of these feathers was worked so that it was partial, so that it would be down to scale. Absolutely stunning. Look at this bracelet. Oh, shoes. And I love they do this rubber band trick. I'm going to have to do that with some of the mules that I make for my dolls. Darren has made 3D printed soles that I add tops to that I love, but sometimes they come off. That is such a good idea. One thing I want to point out that March Payne, if you don't watch his channel, you should. He is good. He is funny. No, he is hilarious. His channel is fun. He pointed out, look at the layers on these dolls' clothing, all of them. And one of the reasons is, he was saying, and I knew it was just one of those things I had to hear from someone else, they did that to give the black and white and gray dimension so that their clothes weren't just, it gave them clothing pop, which I think is amazing. Thank you, March Payne. I absolutely love her. We'll look at her articulation in just a minute. I wanted to show you the second outfit. I am in love with those scrunchy boots. They might come out of this pack. I don't usually take the second accessories out. I change some of my dolls, and when I do, it's usually outfits that I make for them. This doll does come with the comb and a stand and this gorgeous mock fur coat with this cute little outfit. Oh my God, I just want to get it out. Just stunning. I mean, stunning. She has these earrings on with an S and an H. I get tired of all the RH and all that, but she has a beautiful little bow in the back of her dress that matches the bow in the front of her dress. Both have a little jewel. The bows have a sprinkle, it's actually printed on, of glitter. This is printed on. These feathers are what is amazing, this feather fringe that they have on here. What a gorgeous face. And doesn't she remind you of the White Queen or Queen Victoria? Oh, they used to put that white makeup on their face that was actually arson. Her articulation is great. Her foot goes all the way up. You can stand them in so many different styles, and they're incredible. Their legs twist at the hip, their foot. Oh, this foot is not articulated. Huh. Okay. They do not turn at the waist. Their arm goes up, out, forward, back, and turns at the shoulder. And the wrist also turns and bends. The head can be set, like a zombie. It does look up and down. I love that. The makeup on this doll is absolutely fantastic. I have to tell you, when I was in senior high, the perming your hair was a thing. And I have always had very long hair, and my hair came down almost to my butt when I was in senior high. And one evening, I had washed my hair and I put little bitty braids, because I saw the girls that put the braids in and they had like this much flat before the woof. So I took little bitty braids and I did all the way to my scalp, and I slept in it so it would dry. I took it out the next day, and I'm telling you, it stood out and away from my head. It was so funny, and everybody loved it. So until I washed it again, I wore it like that. But I never did it again because it was a lot of work, and I was not that crazy about it. I am so pleased to have all 6 of the Shadow High dolls. I'm sure there will be more coming ever so quickly. I cannot keep up. I'm still working on the Rainbow High Winter Break series because I would love to have all of those. And I think I need one more cheerleader, of which I wasn't going to collect, but then I found some on clearance and I find I rather like them. MGA, they're coming too fast. You're getting all of our money. But these dolls are absolutely stunning. This is a set of dolls that doll collectors should have in their collection. They're cute, they're fun, they're different, and they are going to be hot this year. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.